Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a carbon monoxide detector. This is a carbon monoxide gas alarm, shockproof, IP67, and it has vibration alarm. So not only will it make an audible sound, it will also vibrate. This is the box it comes in. It says right here, it has real-time display of CO gas concentration. It displays the time, peak values, audible, vibration. It has a 2-year warranty, IP67 protecting. It says dust proof and waterproof, and it has a 2-meter drop test. So let's open this thing up, see what it looks like. Here we have the manual, instruction manual. Okay, let's do a quick unboxing. This is the part I want to show you guys once we get this open. Alright, there it is. This is what it looks like. So let's turn it on, press that button, hold it. It beeps, lights up, and vibrates. It's gonna go through its little test. Okay, so you have a battery display. It says ppm. And it goes through a little countdown to get everything calibrated. Okay, while it's going through its countdown, I'm going to show you what this is right here. So we get this screw out. Okay guys, so I just screwed this in the back. Now, what this does is this makes it wearable. So if you own a food truck, if you work in a shop, if you in your RV, anywhere you run a generator, you can have this mounted in your RV or in your food truck. But if you're walking around in and out of garages or a shop, you can actually wear one of this on your belt. Right now, you push the M. ppm, that's the time, and you can just hang this on your belt, just clip it on your belt loop, and you'll always be monitoring your carbon monoxide wherever you are, in your RV, in your food truck. It will start vibrating and alarming. Let's see if we can make it do that. It's really loud, and when it starts vibrating, you'll feel it in this right here. So if you guys are running a food truck in your RV, in your home backup generator, please get one of these so you don't get in a situation where the levels of carbon monoxide is real high and you don't know it, especially if it's inside an RV or a food truck. Guys, get one of these carbon monoxide gas alarm. Okay, real short video, check it out. I'll put the link in the description for this if you want one. I know it's simple, quick video, but it's something that will save your life, and I really want to promote that you know, safety first. Okay guys, thanks for watching this quick video of the, let's get the box over here. It's SA103 carbon monoxide gas alarm. I will have this in the description, so you can just push the link and buy one. Check it out. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.